Vivo quietly unveiled the Vivo X300 FE in Russia last month, but the phone's broader rollout is just getting started. An India launch is expected in May, and a new leak suggests the company might have something extra in store for the market. The core hardware won't likely be much different, but according to 91 Mobiles, the Vivo X300 FE could come with a 200mm ZEISS Telephoto Extender Kit in India. It's a paid add-on that attaches via a dedicated case. According to reports, it enables 2.35x extended zoom, with support for up to a 200mm optical equivalent and a staggering 1,600mm maximum focal length. We've also gotten a closer look at the accessory. Passionate geeks shared what appears to be an official render of the extender along with the phone's pink variant. As for the phone itself, the Vivo X300 FE uses a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip inside, with LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. It comes in configurations of up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The device features a 6.31-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2640 by 1216 pixels. The phone runs Origin OS 6, based on Android 16, and Vivo is promising 5 years of Android updates along with 7 years of security patches. On the camera side, the phone includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For selfies, there's a 50-megapixel front camera. The X300 FE is backed by a 6,500 mAh battery and supports 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. In Russia, the phone retails at RUB 60,124, around $770, for the 12 GB plus 256 GB variant. India is also expected to get an additional green color option alongside the existing Moonlight White, Cool Purple, and Graphite Black variants.